Guys, it's me, Romero, from our movie news. And as you see from the title, it says Shout Out Sunday. It's a little thing I'm going to start doing every Sunday where I'm going to give a shout out to one specific YouTuber on YouTube, obviously. And the reason I'm going to shout out their channel is because, one, I like their content, I like their material, I like the person in general, and I love their personality. I love the way they are. For episode 1 of Romero's Shout Out Sunday. On Shout Out Sunday, I'm going to shout out one person in particular called Japanic, not J-Panic. It's like, you know, when you say Jennifer, like Jennifer, you know, like Japanic. It's how you have to say it. She does, you know. I really like Japanic's material because she has this personality which is both calm, informative, she's funny, she's serious, but at the same time, she has good charisma. You tell that by all of her videos, you know, especially her Theater Bites videos, you know, they're very, very, you know, thorough, especially her 3D rant and her popcorn rant, which I find they're both hilarious, and at the same time, I completely agree with both of them because, you know, who hasn't, you know, ever thought about, you know, 3D being, you know, completely worthless in movies, and who never has thought of popcorn being not the perfect movie snack when going to the theaters. All in all, she has great charisma, great energy, she's very informative, she has a lot of potential to become a huge success on YouTube. I personally believe that. I love all her videos. I'm gonna put some links down in the description box of her channel and a few videos that I've really become to, you know, like from her. And if you guys want, check her out. Subscribe to her. I recommend it. She's making a huge comeback this year. Also, I want to mention she hasn't made a video in about 4 months. She's been in hiatus. And the reason for that is because she really was busy during those 4 months and she couldn't really get around to making any videos. The news is that finally she has decided to come back, and not because she has decided to come back, but because she's not able to. You know, she had a lot of things she had to deal with, and you know, she was gonna come back earlier, but she was sick. Anyways, I want to say to Japanic that welcome back. I hope and I pray that everything goes well. I hope this shout out gets you some more subscribers. I hope you guys check her out, check out her channel. You know, she just does amazing videos, and you know, I just absolutely love her as a person, a friend, a YouTuber, and I just completely am a fan of all her videos. So yeah, this has been the first Shout Out Sunday. I'm going to be doing this every Sunday where I'm going to shout out one person in particular that I think is, you know, someone you guys is worth your time. And a YouTuber who I personally look at as a friend and love as a person and appreciate their YouTube material. Anyways, make sure to check out J-Panic's channel and those videos that I'll be linking down in the description box. Always remember, I got your back, so you're on track. I'm just gonna go. Whee! Ah! God, it's always the knee.